you see that you have a massive open space here. So we'll pull out so that you can really see the size. Hi, this is Bautista from MetroGuide Realty, and welcome to your excellent property investment. So today we have something new for you because we usually show brand new houses or on occasion a beautifully renovated house. But this is a prime property here in Ayala Alabang, which rests on a 1,337 square meter lot. So what's different about this house is it's not renovated, it's not brand new. The house is about a couple of decades old. But what's really amazing about this is the value at which it's selling. It's on the market right now at around zonal value, which is an excellent deal here in Ayala Alabang, Muntinlupa City. So that means the house is already selling at just the lot value itself, which means the house that we're gonna take a look at is basically free. So on top of that, we're going to take a look at this property through 5 potential avenues for someone who's looking to purchase this house. Number 1, you can potentially look at this house as someone who is looking to just buy it and then hold it as an investment. Number 2, you can potentially buy it and then renovate it and then live in it as an end user. A third option is you can buy it, renovate it, and then potentially lease it out to a tenant. A fourth option is you can potentially completely tear down the entire property and have a completely new structure built and then resell that or rent that out. And then the fifth option is to completely tear down the property, build a completely brand new house, and then live in it as your brand new beautiful home. So those are the different avenues that you can keep in mind as we explore this house. So looking at this, you see that you're welcomed by a grand and spacious driveway. So this can easily fit about 4, 5, or 6 vehicles. And you have a covered carport area here. And you have a massive bungalow which has a floor area of approximately 600 to 800 square meters. Another fantastic feature of this property is that it's directly facing east. So you have so many design options to maximize the morning light. So you can have your master bedroom facing here, and you'll see the morning sun coming up, and that will also make the front of the house very cool in the afternoons as you have the afternoon sun on the other side. In addition, in terms of the terrain, you have an elevation of about 5 to 7 feet from the street level, or maybe even more. So that gives you a lot of options in terms of a new house if you'd like to construct one. Of course, you have to do some soil testing for this to verify, but another design idea is you can even potentially have a basement and make this a 3-level property. With a 1,337 square meter lot area, you can easily have a floor area of approximately 1,500 square meters for a brand new house here. So heading on here, you have a spacious garden area and a potential swimming pool area at the other end. In terms of the frontage of the house, this has a massive frontage of approximately 35 to 36 square meters. And the length from the front of the house to the back of the house is about 45 meters. So that means that's about 100 feet in terms of length. Now from here, let's head on in. So you see that this is a very different video from what we usually do. because I'm really giving you information as a potential investor because this is a great deal in the market. So you see that you have the main entrance here. We're gonna take a quick look inside so you see the existing structure. That's important because if you want to renovate this house, you already have an idea of the layout. And if you potentially want to like put a second floor, you can see how it's structured. Let's go. So you have a main entrance foyer. You see, you have a high ceiling as well, and it's really well maintained for the age of the house. You have a living space here on the right side. Once again with high ceilings. And you have a sliding door over here, which opens up to a patio space. So you can really see the size of the entire area here. You have a massive tree here inside the property. But what's really nice is it doesn't get in the way if you're gonna build a structure. And you have an open space here where you can potentially have a pool or even an extension of the structure. Previously, this was a swimming pool, but they already filled this up so that it's easier to maintain the property. And from here, you have a service area at the back. And now, let's head back in. Go. You can really see how big the property is. You can even take a bike and bike around the side of the property. So from the main living space and then the foyer, you have another receiving space here on the left side upon entering the house. So potentially, if you want to put a second floor, you can potentially have a staircase on this side or even right here in the middle once you come in the main door. And over here, here you have your formal dining space. So this area, once again, illustrates the size of the entire property because once you step out here, you see that you have a massive open space here. So we'll pull out so that you can really see the size. So there's so much space if you wanna potentially extend the house or build a new structure. In terms of the floor area that you can have, it's really massive. And let's take a look on the other side. So you have a basketball court here. I can still reach it. So on this side, you have an additional service area, which we're going to explore later once we head back in. Let's go. So at this point, you could already have an idea of if you want to keep the house or retain the house or renovate the house or build something completely new. So that's really the purpose of us going around here. So from the large space outside the main dining area, here's a view of your main kitchen. You can really see that it's well spaced. There isn't really a space for an island countertop, but you don't need that because that's what they did with this counter area on the other side. What you have here is an additional storage or pantry room. And as we go here, You have a second kitchen, an auxiliary space. The size is very similar. And you can really see that this was a really well-built house because you see the marble. You can see the age of the marble from the texture and the color from here. And you see that you also have a view of the back of the house from here. And on this side, you have a screen door as we head on out. This is the same service area that we took a look at before. So you have an additional area here for heavy cooking. You even have an additional area here for heavy washing. This is where you can have your laundry space. And this is also the drying area for clothes. What you have here is an additional security gate leading towards the parking area. This is just so you're oriented. Okay? Now let's head on back. Wow. So this is so different from most of the videos that we do because this is really more like an ocular and assessment tour so that you can really see how to maximize the property. What you have over here is another access door. So coming in from the driveway, if you have some groceries, you can go straight to the auxiliary kitchen. And then you have an additional bath space here. And then up here, this is where you have the staff quarters. Okay? Now let's head on over. From the main kitchen, let's now head on over to the other side of the house where you have 4 bedrooms. The first door here leads to a powder room for guests. And then the next 4 rooms are all bedrooms. So it's a really well thought out layout. It's so convenient. And you see the spacing of the rooms. Once again, you still have the high ceiling. They're well ventilated because of the windows showing the back of the house. And you have the bathroom. Okay? That room can serve as a guest room. And then this serves as the second bedroom. And then you see once again that you have another space here. And you have an area here which you can open up towards a private patio area, which is shared by the other bedroom. And then here, you have the bath space. And now let's take a look at the third bedroom. So here you have additional storage space. And the third bedroom. So what you have here is a wooden parquet flooring. And once again, you have the door leading to the side patio outside. And you see once again, you have high ceiling. They even have additional lighting here at the side. So this wasn't a usual feature a couple of decades ago, but that's already included. So on this side, you have a walk-in closet space again and the bathroom. And now, let's take a look at the master bedroom. So even having a nice touch like this is one of the things that was built into the house because it gives you privacy as you're going back and forth between the bedrooms. But at the same time, you still have visibility of your guests. And then here you can clearly see the difference in the space of the master bedroom. You have immediately the walk-in closet space here that you can go into, and then a bathroom area with a bathtub. So you can see the master bathroom is completely separated from the walk-in closet space. You can potentially even have a door here. And from your master bedroom, you even have a great view of your patio space up to the driveway. And here you have a spacious master bedroom area. You even have a view here of what was once the pool, and once again, of the back of the house. So if you open this up, you see that this is a shared patio space between the 3 bedrooms, with the master bedroom with 2 other bedrooms. So this is just a potential idea for a layout, especially if you want to renovate this property. Okay, it's a done. And that caps off our tour of the bedroom areas. We hope you enjoyed that property investment tour video here in Ayala Alabang, Muntinlupa City. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message through Instagram, Facebook, or contact us through our website. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home or investment for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.